Hello everyone, welcome back to the conservatory here at Rathbone Manor, and today we'll be taking a look at my replacement for these things here. If you haven't seen my video Boots and Brushes, it deals with these old things here, and these are really quite old because the soles are wearing away. In fact, this one has got a nice hole in it, so they're really uncomfortable to wear now. They're about 10 years old. They've been by the back door here for a good few years now, so it's about time they actually went out. So this morning I went to the boot sale and picked these little fellows up. I did actually find quite a few potentially interesting back door boots while I was searching all the different stalls. But I went with these things in the end. I know they're not as interesting as the other two pairs, but I thought, well, these will do. The guy, he originally wanted £5 the pair, but I managed to get them down to £3 in the end. They got some fairly skanky insoles in them, so they'll be coming out. They'll be going in the bin with the other boots. I don't know, I don't think they're all that expensive. Once again, we have steel toe caps, so that's handy. I like a pair of steel toe caps for my back door boots. The soles, they're in good nick. In fact, they're very good nick. It doesn't look like they've hardly been anywhere. Fairly low mileage by the look of it, so that's good. They've got a bit of wear on the caps of the toes here. This one here too. So I think what we'll do is we'll throw the old ones in the wheelie bin along with these rather skanky insoles, and then we'll do something with these here new ones. Right then, let's give them a go, see how well they fit. Oh yeah, not too bad at all actually, that one. That one's not too bad either. Yeah, that'll do. I just like to lace them up so I can slip them on and off without having to mess about doing laces up, so I'll get that sorted and we'll be straight back. Okay, let's give those a go then. Oh, well, almost. Okay, so that's off. It's going to take a bit of playing with, I must admit. There we go, I think I got it just about right. I'm sure I can turn them into a pair of steel toe cap Crocs by crunching the heels down like I normally do, like that. They'll go nice and quickly and easily then, but yeah. That'll do for £3 then. Okay then, what make are these? Power West. Never heard of those. They're a UK 9, US 10. They fit me a treat actually. They're a bit cheap and nasty, but at least the sole's not worn out. And what else are they here? What does it say? They're oil acid resistant and anti-static too. Oh, that's great. That's cool then. They're not bad for £3 I paid for them. So they'll probably be sitting here by the back door for quite a few years to come then. Okay, so there we go then guys. There's my new back door boots. I hope you enjoyed coming over and taking a look at them. Yeah, they should last me a good few years, I hope. Certainly more comfortable than the last pair by the feel of it already, so I've tried them. So yeah, I do like a nice pair of steel toe caps by the back door, because if you're carrying something heavy, you can actually rest them on your toe like this here, and you can still pick it up again, so you can carry a heavy box and put it down like so without damaging your feet, and it also makes it, as I say, very easy to pick it up afterwards. So yeah, there we go, a little bit of a interest for you, my back door boots. Right guys, thanks for popping over and thanks for watching.